What's going on YouTube? Jason right here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use TrollClean in order to clean your iOS device storage, just like use iCleaner on a jailbroken device. This is the application I am talking about, TrollCleaner tool, and this one can clear a lot of things on the device, and since it uses TrollStore behind it, it's actually quite powerful and has access to the files, which means it can do a proper cleaning, not like those fake cleaner applications in the App Store. This one has proper permissions, so it can do image cache cleaning, it can do app cache cleaning, temporary files, system logs, and memory optimization. So if you find yourself with very little space left on your device and with a lot of system files that you have no idea what they are occupying a lot of that space, then this tool might be for you. However, this one requires TrollStore to be installed because TrollStore gives it proper permissions to do, well, the accessing on the device. For those of you who are unaware, you can install TrollStore easily on iOS 17.0 all the way down to iOS 16, 14, 15 with various tools. The most recent one is TrollStore. I have a full guide on how to use it here on iDeviceCentral.com. It will be linked in the pinned comment down below and in the description, and it actually works on various builds of iOS. However, there's also the Troll Installer X for iOS 16 that you can use, but that doesn't work on iOS 17.0. But let's see how you can clean your device with this. If you go ahead in here, you can see that the tool itself, it looks like this. When you first install it, it might be in Chinese. So you gotta press the little planet icon over here and select English and restart the application. That will fix it. You go ahead in here and press the clean all button, and it says, are you sure you want to clean all caches? I'm gonna confirm, and it will do its job. Now, since this can go ahead and fetch all the files on the device and it can write to them, just like on a jailbreak, this will go in depth and clean all those things. In this case, this device is not a device that I use a lot, just for filming and testing, so not a lot had to be cleaned out, only 84 megs. In your case, on your main device, it might have a lot more to clean up. So that's essentially it. It's a very simple tool. That's as much as you can do with this tool. It doesn't do much, but what it does well. You can also go ahead and clean out individual things over here. As you can see, some parts are still in Chinese. So if I want to go ahead and just clean the memory, optimize device memory, I can press on this one over here, press confirm, and it will only do that one. But if you want to do all of them, you just press the clean all at the bottom. And that's it. As I said, that's the important part. It has to be installed with TrollStore. If you don't, then it will not have access to do all those things. So yeah, that's basically it. That's essentially like iCleaner from the jailbroken devices, but on TrollStore. And it supports all devices, including the newer devices like the iPhone 14, 13, and so on. So definitely check it out in the link below. And if you need a guide on how to install TrollStore on your device, it's available over here, step-by-step guide on how to do that. So yeah, that's essentially it. This video is brought to you by Rayboot, a software that allows you to easily fix your device if it's stuck in recovery mode, DFU mode, and so on. You can reset the device, permanently erase the data from it, and fix iTunes issues like pairing issues and synchronization and so on. Check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available. Thank you for watching. I'm Gio Snow. Peace out.